Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make butterscotch brittle. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget your butterscotch flavoring. Prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Next, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert a candy thermometer and continue to cook the mixture until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for perfect brittle. As soon as your mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in the butter, vanilla extract, and your chosen butterscotch flavoring. Then, add the baking soda and stir vigorously until everything is well combined and foamy. Immediately pour this hot, bubbly mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Work quickly, as it will start to set very fast. Now, let your butterscotch brittle cool completely on the baking sheet. This usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes at room temperature. Do not try to move or break it before it's fully cooled, or it won't have that satisfying snap. Once it's completely hard and crisp, simply break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade butterscotch brittle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.